In front of me is Xiaomi 14T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for a location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then confirm your choice by selecting Close in the pop-up. And when I go back, as you can see, my shortcut is black, which means that location is off. If you want to switch it back on, just hit the same one. But you can always just go into settings instead, scroll down and click on location section here. Then tap on this switcher next to use location to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!